So here is the big deal: a smartphone under 100,000 naira with a big display, stylish design, Android 13 and a 5000 mAh battery. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the Infinix Smart 10 promises. But is it just another budget phone with fancy looks, or is there more beneath the surface? Stick around, let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechByNazom, where we break down budget gadgets that won't break your wallet. Today I'm giving you the full scope on the Infinix Smart 10. We'll dive deep into the design, performance, camera, software and more. So if you are thinking about buying this phone or just curious, this particular video is for you. Now, I don't do a full unboxing on a camera, but here is what comes in the box. You get the phone itself, a clear silicone case, a micro USB charging cable, a 10-watt charger, a SIM injector tool, and usual manuals. No surprise here, it's basic, but it gets the job done. The design is one of the first things that impressed me. It doesn't look cheap at all. Even though it's clearly a budget phone, the textured plastic back has a glossy finish with a dual tone. The dual tone look that catches light in stylish way. It's slim, lightweight, and the fingerprint sensor is rear mounted. The buttons are tactile, and overall it looks more premium than the price suggests. It's available in few colors: blue, black, and green, which give you a little varieties. Up front, we are looking at a 6.8 HD plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. This IPS LCD panel. So viewing angles are okay, not amazing but acceptable. Colors are vibrant for the price and brightness is decent indoors, though you might struggle a bit in a direct sunlight. No high refresh rate. Here it's locked at the 60 Hz, but again we are not expecting much from this particular low budget phone. This phone runs Android 13 Go Edition with Infinix OS skin on top. Now, Go Edition is designed for entry-level device, so it's lightweight and optimized for performance. You will find lighter versions of Google apps like Gmail, YouTube Goals, and so on and so forth, which helps the phone run smoother despite its limited hardware. There are some pre-installed apps you might want to uninstall, but overall the interface is clean and simple. Then you will get a 64 GB of internal storage with 3 GB of RAM or sometimes 2 GB, which is fairly standard for this price range. But here is the cool part: you also get up to a 3 GB visual RAM, which helps a bit when switching between a lights app. There's also a micro USB card support, so you can expand storage up to 256 GB if you need it, maybe mostly for photos and extra videos. Under the hood, the Infinix Smart 10 is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor. It's not a gaming chip, but for basic tasks like WhatsApp, browsing, YouTube, or even light multitasking, it handles itself okay. Just don't expect to play PUBG or Call of Duty smoothly here. This is not a performance phone. For casual users, especially students or anyone on tight budget, it's just fine. On the back, there's a 13 megapixel AI camera with a secondary PGPA sensor. And up front, a 8 megapixel selfie camera. In good lighting, photos are surprisingly usable. You get a decent details and acceptable color reproduction. Low light performance is average as expected, and night shots are noisy. The selfie camera also does okay for video calls and quick snap. Video recording is capped at 1080p and 30 frames seconds. One of the best part of this phone is the 5000 mAh battery. Even with regular use, calls, social media, and a little YouTube, it can last a full day and sometimes into the next. Charging is slow. It comes with a 10-watt charger and a USB-C. Expect about 2.5 to 3 hours for a full charge. In Nigeria, the Infinix Smart 10 is currently selling for around 95,000 naira to 100,000 naira, depending on the retail and location. For the specs, we are getting a bigger display, decent cameras, and solid battery life. It's a fair deal. Just be aware of the competition. There are other phones like the Itel P40 or Redmi A12 Plus around the same price range. So what's the verdict on this Infinix Smart 10? If you are looking for a phone for basic use like chatting, social media, watching YouTube, or light photography, this phone delivers. It looks good, feels sturdy, and offers solid battery life. If you need faster performance, better gaming, or sharper cameras, you might want to stretch your budget a bit. This isn't a phone for power users, but for student, side phones, or elderly users, it's a smart choice, literally. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to TechByNazom for more honest tech reviews, especially on budget and mid-range gadgets you can actually afford. Get questions about the Infinix Smart 10, drop it in the comment section below. I will reply to every one of you. Until next time, stay smart and stay powered. Thank you very much. Bye.